Yeah, I want to talk about layering of fruits and vegetables. What I mean by that is, so you'll have 40 different vegetables in your garden, and every single one of them has different texture, has a different taste, has a different odor, has a different way of cooking. The diversity in vegetables is insane, and it's been helped by humans, botanists, and whoever. They have moved this diversity in the field of vegetables and fruits to new limits. Somebody would have to say to themselves, well, how come there's not just one fruit or one vegetable that serves all? How come there's so much diversity? What is the purpose of this diversity? Where did this diversity come from? Why does a cherry taste like a cherry? Why doesn't it taste like a banana? Why is a tomato a tomato? And why is it red? And why does it have the seeds where they are? And all these questions on how this diversity came into place. You need to understand that you're a human being. You have your five senses, your taste, your smell, your touch, your ability to realize consistency of a product. A potato has a different texture than a turnip. So you will notice all these differences with the fruits and vegetables. So why? Why this diversity? Where did it come from? Why is it pleasing human beings? It's a pleasing factor. It's almost like something has offered us a palette of great tasting fruits and vegetables. Why? Did all this stuff develop on its own? Was there a purpose behind offering all this great diversity, this great variety in the things that we eat? Now, if you look at it from a nutritional standpoint, all this different food, all this different produce, fruits and vegetables, offers different types of nutrients. So having all this diversity in the category of fruits and vegetables also keeps us healthy without eating, carrots and potatoes and an apple and a pear and an orange and a banana. Without having that diversity in our diet, humans would be, even animals, would be very unhealthy. So there's a purpose to the madness, and that purpose is to offer us pleasure, offer us stimulation, offer us diverse nutrients, offering us health, offering the pollinators different flowers. So what I'm getting at is all this stuff comes together under the diversity protocol, where diversity is king. Diversity keeps everything moving forward. Diversity keeps everything healthy. And diversity is a mathematical equation. The more diverse our fruits and vegetables are, the more we are going to be able to survive as a species. If you look at the slotting that is going on, and what I mean by slotting is, so let's just do some fruits. So you'll have a banana, pear, orange, lemon, cherry, nectarine, peaches. And if you sort of look back at all those that I just named, they all have almost everything different about them. Taste is different. Nutritional values are very different. How they grow is similar, but there are differences. How they get pollinated, all those diverse factors make it very interesting for humans to enjoy this plethora of fruits and vegetables. And if I'm really honest about it, I think that selection or that diversity or the variety is a planned event. It is purposeful. It is structured. It is layered. It is sequenced. It is perfect. And that word perfect is very important to me because perfection requires design. Perfection requires knowledge. Perfection requires something that has made these types of fruits and vegetables before. It requires a process of planning, to achieve an end goal. And I think fruits and vegetables are probably one of the most apparent concepts of design, just because of the diversity that is presented with them. And I'm not arguing that humans didn't interfere with that process immensely. That's part of it. And especially the fact that humans and biologists and botanists and scientists were able to mess around with fruits and vegetables to create new varieties tells me that they are using the apparent design of the fruits and vegetables to create new varieties. So the design, internal design of everything that is associated with us being fed with produce has an underlying, visible, understandable, controllable design element that you can take advantage of. So the next time you look at the diversity of a supermarket with all the fruits and vegetables, step back and say to yourself, wow, that is one hell of a selection. And why? Why is that category of edibles so diverse, so colorful, so beautiful, so healthy in many ways? Why is that diversity even there? Why are we not absolutely amazed by that? Why aren't we awestruck with that diversity? And those are the questions: is where does that diversity come from? Who made it? Who offered it to us? And does it benefit them? That is the biggest question. So if there's something living inside us and you bite into a peach and it actually tastes like a peach, that sensation will go through your whole body and possibly stimulate whoever made that peach in the first place. So it's a symbiotic relationship. If we have beings living inside us that helped us make all this fruit and vegetable, make all the diversity on this planet, if that really is the case, then life isn't so mysterious anymore. And what I mean by that is that mystery means that we don't know. And not knowing isn't really an option anymore, because this apparent achievement of design, achievement of diversity has to be now finally considered that it's not random and it's not without purpose. It is purposeful and completely layered in organizational design, and everything is apparent, and all the evidence is in front of us. That diversity, if you just list all the fruits that exist on this planet, tropical fruits, whatever, that diversity is absolutely insane. And it is also location based. And what I mean by that is you'll have mangoes in tropical climates, you'll have tropical fruit everywhere that belongs to that area. So not only are the fruits and vegetables designed, they're designed location specific, which is very, very important. That location specific microclimate fits the fruit, microclimate fits the ability of the fruit to survive, the weather fits the fruit or vegetable. So everything is planned out in such a way that we have to be completely aware that this plethora of fruits and vegetables was made for us specifically, for us to enjoy and for us to stay healthy and to survive.